The Virtual Attendee Hub is how you'll access all 2021 VisitNC365 conference content, where you will view sessions, agenda items, and additional conference information. An email will be sent out that has the registration link to access the Virtual Attendee Hub. Register now so that you can gain access to the Attendee Hub. When you're ready to access the event, you can click the Access VisitNC365 Conference button found in the email or on VisitNC365.com. After clicking the link to go to the virtual event, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your first name, last name, and the email address you used to register. Registration and login is unique to each individual and cannot be shared. After entering your first name, last name, and email address, a verification code will be sent via text message and/or email that will request you to input a verification code. The verification code is different from your confirmation number you received when registering. The verification code is good for only one-time use and expires after 24 hours. Once expired, or if you're logging in on a new device, you'll need a new code. You can trigger a new verification code by following the same steps again. If you did not receive a verification code or receive an error message, please check your registration information and/or spam folder, then try again. The email or text should be triggered in less than a minute. We recommend you include your best cell phone number on your registration in order to receive the verification code quickly and easily. Refer to how to modify your registration to re-enter your cell number. The verification code is unique to you and won't work for anyone else. This is different from your confirmation number you received when registering and is required for you to gain access to the Virtual Attendee Hub. Again, the verification code is only good for one-time use and expires after 24 hours. In order to receive the new verification code, follow the same steps. Click on the link to go to the virtual event, where you'll be prompted to log in, enter your first name, last name, and the email address you used to register to trigger the new verification code. Once logged into the Attendee Hub, you will see the homepage of the virtual event. You will be able to view live and upcoming sessions, featured sponsors, and basic event details. You can click on the individual session straight from this page. Additionally, you can access the event website by clicking the event website link. The All Sessions page. This tab lists all the sessions available for you to attend during the event. They are listed in the order they occur. You can click on the session name to access the content of the session. You can also add or remove sessions from your personalized schedule on this page. We recommend if you're going to add or remove sessions, you do so prior to the start of the conference in order to not miss out on any sessions. My Schedule. This page shows your personalized schedule based off the sessions you are registered for. You can join the sessions from this page by clicking the Join Session button or the session name 5 minutes before the session begins. You can also remove sessions from your schedule on this page if you no longer wish to attend.